So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to move the queen from this hive and create another hive, another colony. Although I split this colony a week ago, just over a week ago, the last sunny day we had, they did a practice swarm flight. So I believe that they are still going to swarm. So in order to have that not happen, I'm going to find the queen and I'm going to take the queen and some frames of bees and let the queen create a whole new colony in hive number 5. I'm pretty sure that she's ready to swarm, and that would be a crying shame if we lost her. So I'm going to find her and do an artificial swarm. I'm going to move her. If I can ever get this lid off. Okay. Oh, that's getting heavy. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to find her in this top super here. So let's see if we can find Queenie. Yeah, they're making queen cups. And drone cells. I'm pretty sure I'm going to find her in here. Where she's been every other time when we've come in. Where are you, Queenie? This might take me a while, so I'll get back to you guys when I've actually found her.
2 hours later. Six and a half hours later.
They're very calm. I put very little smoke in them. But I don't want them to, I don't want to squash them. Take a full brood.
She won't fly off, will she?
No.
You don't know either.
How many bees were on the thing?
Tons of bees.
Tons of bees, okay. Alright, we'll give it that one.
One more?
No. So, we found the queen. But Julie found the queen after I'd been through the hive twice. And so Julie found the queen, and we've got her over into the new hive. What I'm going to do now is shake her some bees in there.
Where do you want this?
In my hand. You can leave, baby.
All right, come on, Rufy.
Thank you. So, the queen over there. Give her some more bees. And I need to give her some honey, really. Well, I'll give them a super. All right, ladies. I know I've been here far too long today, haven't I? Winding you up. So we've got queen, some brood, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is give them a frame of honey. They've got some food. So essentially what we've done is created an artificial swarm from that colony. So they will not swarm without that queen. And give her plenty of room. And I will check. So essentially, guys, what I've done is removed the queen. Took some bees with her, and she will now start a new colony. This one will realise they don't have a queen, and they will requeen this colony. And they already have queen cooked in this colony, so won't be long before they have a new queen. That took a long time. I never did find her. Julie had to come and help me, even with my glasses on. So essentially now we have 5 hives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will leave them to it for today. They've been through enough. I've been here over an hour. Guys, we will see you on the next video.